26, cleared enter, set across bomber airspace offshore at or below 500, Liberty altimeter 2994, report crystal clear.
Dog 62994, look up.
Dog 5, leading set across bomber just to the north, which is the bridge.
Whoa!
Departure, have a good day, United 2499.
American 2309, Liberty Tower.
That blasted me.
You're approaching rebuild, American 2309.
2309, caution.
Look at that. Nice livery, huh?
7 mile final traffic on the roll is diverging course, runway 27.
Right on top of me, guys. Right overhead of me.
Welcome
everybody to Mr. Gaucho.
is on final for runway 27.
This is 442, number chair, caution, wait turbulence, Dreamliner, short final, traffic will hold in position. Wind 300 at 10, runway 27, clear the next.
Land 27, Southwest, 442.
Southwest 2806, number chair, caution, wait turbulence, landing heavy Dreamliner, runway 27, line up away traffic on us, 7 mile final.
Runway 27, line up away, Southwest 2806.
Windy here in San Diego, guys. Airport, right.
KLM 56, number carrier, 27, clear command, caution with turbulence, cruise to Bravo, heavy Boeing 767.
It's the 777.
432, contact still 7 parts. Knock it out, hang off to 430. KLM 640 heavy, runway 27, clear for takeoff. Yes, takeoff, runway 27, KLM 640 heavy. Tango Juliet, contact with the departure. Departure, have a good day. United 2499, Limber Tower, follow company. Follow company, United 2499. Mach C543, follow me.
To go.
Delta 843, turn up, Bravo, way contact ground, today. Away ground, Delta 843. Japan Air 65 Heavy, wind 2906, runway 27, split for takeoff. Runway 27, clear. Frontier 2084, Lumber Tower, caution weight 7, departing heavy Dreamliner, runway 27, line of point.
Line of Boeing, runway 27, Frontier Flight 2084.
R5 down, point south. Low Limburg Tower, Southwest 2101, RNAV Zulu, runway 27.
South 2101, Limburg Tower, unit number 2, traffic will hold in position, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, number 2, Southwest 2101.
Limburg Tower, caution wake turbulence, a heavy Airbus 350 is touching down. Winds 30 at 8, runway 27 to land.
7 clear to land, Southwest 3689.
Here, 27, you can squat 3
Coming back, guys.
Copy that, 27. Southwest 1659, turn left Bravo, wait contact ground today.
Left Bravo, 8 over ground, Southwest 659, yes.
November 487 Quebec Sierra Limburg Tower, runway 27, line up and wait traffic on a 9-mile final.
November 487 Quebec Sierra, line to wait, runway 27.
Southwest 1403, turn left Bravo 8 contact ground.
Bravo 8, contact ground, Southwest 1450.
Lufthansa 2 Papa Heavy, wind 280 at 7, number 27, close takeoff.
27, clear to take off, Lufthansa 2 Papa Heavy.
Alrighty. Lufty ready to go.
Southwest 4382, Fable, reduce speed 20 knots, traffic holding in position.
Low 20 knots, Southwest 4382.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. So beautiful. Look at those vortices. Amazing.
Control 04, turn left Bravo 8, no delay exiting, taxi on to Bravo in contact ground. Have a good night. Cessna 52 Delta leaving the Bravo is facing about 2 miles to the south. Contact
Oh, get ready for this one, guys.
264 heavy, wind 280 at 9, runway 27, close takeoff.
Takeoff 27, speed.
I wonder if they have weight restrictions here.
4382, limit tower, runway 27. Clear for takeoff, traffic 4 mile final.
Clear for takeoff, 27, Southwest 4382.
JetBlue 1189, 1 departure for arrival.
Roger that, 1189.
As requested. Fort Crystal Pier, limit altimeter 2994. Wind 290 at Niner, runway 27, line up and wait.
27 line up wait, United 249.
Look, we just had the...
Caution wake turbulence for the heavy Dreamliner. You can pass behind them northbound. Next arrival 7 miles out.
Okay, got the heavy Dreamliner inside. I'll pass behind chopper 8.
Ourself 129 heavy contact so far today.
Hold on the bike, going to pass on the heavy today.
First space over the water, below 500 feet. Report past the Ocean Beach Bear.
Report OB here.
Mercer 27 and a limit tower limit altimeter 2991.
Oh, way
way
turbulence.
December, Skyhawk 9285 Hotel, passing OB Pier, southbound.
85 Hotel, continue southbound, leaving cross forward. What, 2922, you guys ready now? Ready. The 2922, caution wake terms departed heavy 76, runway 27, out of wait.
27 line of wait, Southwest 2920.
Because the 78 is coming, so they better hurry up.
American 2056, turn left, Bravo 8.
Not going to make it.
American 2056, roger, they can keep your speed up, turn left, Bravo 9, or exit off the runway. Turn right on Bravo and contact ground.
Bravo 9 will make a right turn ground, box from Niner, to wait for the next.
Seabird, now here Whiskey Heavy, 13006, runway 27, left takeoff.
Let's go 37, Seabird 9, Whiskey.
That starts right now. Very, very good.
41 behind Alaska, short runway 27.
I'm on Alaska, hold short runway 27, Skywest 3741.
and Embraer.
Rear wing is left. Roger, I need you to maintain arrow below 1,000 and cruise register. Turn left, Bravo 8, taxi Bravo.
This one.
Lot 1, contact the ramp on the way, 29.
Pretty fast.
Bravo 8, talk to the Bravo 1 and ramp to FedEx 1222 heavy, runway 27, clip takeoff. Please free copy, U.S. service terminated, leaving cloud forward space, exchange with.
Leaving Bravo airspace, frequency change group. Like tower traffic, 6 mile final, runway 27, line up the wing. Runway 27, American.
2167 traffic, headed to your left for 5 miles over your 800 helicopter. Police 134 traffic, 8 mile final, I'm standing at 3,000.
Please, altimeter 3004, report for Sophia.
Seven to seven max.